Look at that. She had one lug nut left holding on her rim. Look at all these metal shavings all over She had 3 of them that were snapped off. Look at the damage to the rim, front and back. This rim can no longer be used. Lug nuts are one of the biggest safety issues that are most commonly overlooked. Always torque your lug nut. And there it is. She's ready to go back on the road. Now she's got to go to the pick and pull and find herself a new rim. All right, and make sure you put your good tires on the front, your good rims. You don't want spares on the front where your steering tire. You want to move those to the back. And just like that, she's ready to go.